Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 22nd September 2021. In the international market, China's second largest property developer Evergrande is on the brink of default and sending shockwaves across the market. As some analysts warn, the pain that could come from its collapse would extend beyond China. Knight Research's view on Evergrande fallout: the default, if any, will surely have a contagious effect and global markets are interlinked. But the Chinese real estate property developer business, hardly any global money is involved. The impact would be more psychological and investors will be wary for some time to take any excessive debt positions in emerging markets and countries like India. At the same time, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will be addressing FOMC meeting today, and investors are waiting for the signals for future bond purchase tapering. US 10-year closed at 133 percentage points and 30-year at 1.86 percentage points on Tuesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $74.88 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 74 to 77. Please note that the crude has not breached 75 for a very long time. For at least a couple of months, and that has been a supporting factor for Indian bond markets as well. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 93.21. Today's range for 92.95 and 93.57 for DXY. FOMC meeting and comments from Fed will give new directions to DXY, as DXY dollar index has been trading in the range of 93 to 93.30 for the last 1 week. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 647. USD INR with a high of 73.74 closed at 73.61. Support at 73.50 and resistance at 73.85 does exist. Watch out! Fed speaking at FOMC today. Do not hold any positions. More probability of DXY weakening is there, as it has struggled to find ground beyond 93.30. We expect, if the comments are not in favor of dollar, then the dollar may slip below 93 today. So be aware of that fact. In the domestic market, the positive momentum in the Indian bond market continued yesterday as well, but there is a growing fear in the market that in the next MPC, RBI may not announce any GSAP for October, or instead of outright purchases, RBI may do switches or OTs. Now the downside risk of yields are increasing, as there are no more positive signals in the market which can still bring the yields down below 610. Traders will also await for US Fed's comment today, and hence market will be trading on sidelines. At the same time, some minor profit booking will also be seen. 563 2026 closed at 559 versus 561 the previous trading day. 664 2035 closed at 663 versus 663 the previous trading day. We do not see any further profits in the 664 paper at all, and the yields will certainly rise 2 basis points in couple of days. In the trading strategy, 610 2031 is now trading at 612. Our night trading team, looking at the buying momentum yesterday, had sent a very short message saying the momentum seems very positive a couple of days back. Remember, we had asked our clients not to hurry for booking profits, and it has paid off. 610 2031 is now at 612, and we have made good money in the recent mini rally for our clients. Now today's US Fed comments, an expected second half FY22 borrowing calendar and GST related extra borrowing uncertainty makes benchmark unattractive, as there is very less positive news which can come out and more of negative news which can happen. Hence, we now recommend to sell and exit 610 2031 at 610 to 612 range. I repeat, we are now asking our clients to exit 610 2031 between 610 to 612, as we do not see much of any further extension of this mini rally. Trading range for 610 2031 seems to be 612 to 617. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.